If you're using Mac the same way everyone else does, you might be missing something that's slowing down your productivity. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Prat and today we are going to see 6 macOS tools that will save you hours of doing extra work. These aren't just nice to have apps, these tools will actually save you hours every single week. Let's get into it. Number 1. Raycast. Think of Raycast as a spotlight on steroids. You press one hotkey and you get a launcher that can do almost anything. You can open apps, search files, run scripts, manage your clipboard history, control Spotify, check your calendar, translate text, all without ever touching your mouse. What makes Raycast special is its extension. There's a massive store of community-built plugins for things like GitHub, Jira, Notion, Linear, you name it. Oh, and it also has built-in AI so you can ask questions and get answers right from your launcher. Raycast is completely free. There's a pro plan if you want AI features, but free version is a massive upgrade from the Spotlight. Number 2. Notion. If your notes are scattered across Apple Notes, Google Docs, random files, and your brain, Notion fixes that. It's an all-in-one workplace where you can write notes, manage tasks, build a personal wiki, track projects, and even create a content calendar. The power of Notion is flexibility. You build it the way you work, whether you are a student, a freelancer, or a running team. Notion adapts to you. And with Notion AI now built in, you can summarize pages, draft content, and autofill databases in seconds. Notion has a solid free plan for personal use. Paid plan starts around $10 a month if you need more features or want to collaborate with a team. Number 3. CleanMyMac X. Your Mac slows down over time, junk files pile up, old app leftovers takes place, and startup items you forget about drain your RAM every single morning. To be honest, this is my own personal problem. I've been dealing with it from so long. CleanMyMac scans your entire system and cleans all of that in one click. It also uninstalls apps properly, not just dragging them into trash but removing every single leftover file. It monitors your Mac's performance in real time and alerts you when something is slowing things down. Think of it as a health checkup for your Mac, one that you actually run. CleanMyMac costs around $35 a year, which is worth it if you are serious about keeping your Mac fast. There's also a free version with limited features. Number 4. Alfred. Alfred is a Mac classic. It's been around for over a decade and for good reason. It's one of the most powerful productivity tools ever built for Mac, like Raycast. Alfred is a launcher, but where Alfred really shines is its workflow feature. You can build custom automations that chain together actions. Open this app, search this website, send this email, convert the currency, all together by one keyword. Alfred is free to download. The Power Pack, which unlocks workflow and advanced features, is one-time payment of about £34, roughly $40. Number 5. Magnet. On Windows, you can snap windows to the left or right half of the screen by dragging them to the edge. On Mac, natively, you can't. Magnet fixes that. With Magnet, you can snap any window to halves, thirds, quarters, or corners, either by dragging or using keyboard shortcuts. It sounds simple, but when you start using it, going back feels painful. It completely changes how you multitask on Mac. Magnet is just $1.99 on Mac App Store, one of the best $2 purchase you will ever make for your Mac. And number 6. Paste. How many times have you copied something, then copied something else, and lost the first thing forever? Paste is a clipboard manager that remembers everything you copy: text, image, files, links, and lets you go back and find it whenever you need it. You can search your clipboard history, organize items into pinboards for things you reuse constantly, like email signatures, boilerplate text, or code snippets, and paste anything instantly. It also syncs across your Apple devices with iCloud, so something you copied on your iPhone is available on your Mac. Paste costs around $2 a month or $20 a year. There's a free trial so you can test it before committing. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Raycast for launching everything fast, Notion for organizing your work and life, CleanMyMac X for keeping your Mac healthy, Alfred for powerful automation, Magnet for Windows management, and Paste for never losing a copied item again. Start with just one or two of these. Pick the ones that solve your biggest pain points right now and build from there. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these tools are you already using? Drop it in the comment below. And if you are using a productivity tool that I didn't mention, tell me, I'll try it. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.